Tonight, we explore a quiet revolution in North American trade. One that has been quietly gaining momentum while much of the world's attention has been focused elsewhere. Unfolding just south of the US border, Mexico is orchestrating a transformation that few saw coming, but that is now impossible to ignore. With a series of bold investments in its maritime ports, Mexico is not just upgrading infrastructure, it's fundamentally reshaping the global supply chain landscape. This is about more than just new cranes and deeper harbors. It's a calculated move to position Mexico as the essential bridge between Asia's manufacturing might and the vast consumer markets of the Americas. By modernizing 6 key ports, Mexico is directly challenging the long-standing dominance of U.S. giants like Long Beach and Los Angeles, ports that have long been the main gateways for Asian goods entering North America. These new and improved ports are designed for speed and efficiency, offering shipping companies a faster, more cost-effective alternative to the congested and often delayed U.S. routes. As a result, logistics companies and multinational businesses are rethinking their entire North American strategies, recalibrating supply chains to take advantage of Mexico's emerging role as a logistics powerhouse. The Mexican government, working hand in hand with private sector partners, is seizing a rare opportunity to redefine the country's place in the global economy. This collaboration is fueling unprecedented investment and innovation. Ports like Manzanillo and Lázaro Cárdenas, once regional players, are now emerging as economic engines, attracting new industries, creating jobs, and driving growth far beyond the docks. As more cargo ships set their course for Mexican ports, the U.S. is left to watch as its neighbor to the south claims a larger share of the trade pie, shifting the balance of power in ways that few anticipated. This is more than a logistical adjustment, it's a seismic shift in the economic power dynamics of the continent, with ripple effects that will be felt across industries and borders. Mexico's strategic foresight is now reshaping the flow of commerce across the Pacific, opening new routes and possibilities for global trade. The steady hum of construction equipment signals not just growth, but the birth of a new economic reality, one where Mexico stands at the center of trans-Pacific trade. In the turbulent waters of international trade, Mexico is no longer just a participant. It's becoming a key player, holding more of the cards and charting a bold new course for the future. At the heart of Mexico's ambitious economic strategy lies a vision to transform its maritime gateways and redefine its role in global trade. Central to this vision is the sweeping transformation of the port of Manzanillo, a project that stands as a testament to Mexico's commitment to progress and innovation. Known as Nuevo Manzanillo, this bold initiative is designed to elevate the port into a world-class maritime hub, capable of competing with the largest ports across the globe. The port's capacity is undergoing a dramatic expansion, growing from 4 million to an impressive 10 million containers annually, more than doubling its previous throughput and opening new possibilities for trade. This transformation is fueled by unprecedented investment, with over 63 billion pesos committed by both the government and private sector partners, signaling strong confidence in Manzanillo's future. Cutting-edge terminals, advanced fuel depots, and streamlined customs precincts are all under construction, ensuring the port is equipped for the demands of modern logistics and international commerce. But this expansion is about more than just numbers, it's about capability. The port will soon welcome ultra-large container vessels, the giants of the shipping world, enabling direct connections to distant markets. For business owners like Sofia Reyes, these upgrades mean faster, more reliable shipping routes, reduced costs, and the ability to reach customers around the world with greater efficiency than ever before. Manzanillo's transformation is more than a local project. It's a symbol of Mexico's broader aspirations, reflecting a nation determined to shape its own economic destiny and play a leading role in international trade. The port's evolution serves as a benchmark for the national port strategy, setting new standards for efficiency, sustainability, and global competitiveness. The new breakwaters and terminals are more than just construction projects, they are gateways to the world, opening Mexico to new opportunities and partnerships. With careful planning and visionary engineering, Mexico is designing a future where it controls its own economic fate, ensuring prosperity for generations to come. Manzanillo stands as the flagship of Mexico's port strategy, a shining example of what's possible when ambition meets action. As this monumental project nears completion, it is poised to change the face of trade in the Americas, connecting Mexico to the world like never before. Mexico's ambitious port modernization is transforming the way goods move across North America. With massive investments in infrastructure, Mexico is positioning itself as a new gateway for global trade, challenging the old status quo. These upgrades are redrawing the logistics map, creating new shipping routes that bypass traditional bottlenecks and reshape the continent's supply chains. For decades, goods from Asia have followed a costly, time-consuming path through congested U.S. ports, often facing delays and high fees before reaching their final destinations. Now, Mexico's new strategy is dismantling this outdated model, offering a direct and efficient alternative for international shipping. Ships can now sail straight to modern Mexican ports on the Pacific, completely bypassing U.S. middlemen and avoiding the congestion of American harbors. This new route saves both time and money, making it highly attractive to international corporations seeking faster, more reliable supply chains. The shift also reduces Mexico's dependence on U.S. infrastructure, giving the country more control over its own economic destiny. By investing in robust port security and resilient infrastructure, Mexico is building a buffer against vulnerabilities like port disruptions, strikes, or global crises. These new ports are a declaration of logistical sovereignty, empowering Mexico to set its own terms in global trade. This bold path is creating a more competitive Mexican economy, attracting new investment and spurring industrial growth near the ports. Faster shipping means more efficient production cycles, lower costs for manufacturers, and more competitive exports on the world stage. Workers like Carlos and Querétaro now benefit from secure jobs, better wages, and new opportunities as factories and warehouses expand to meet global demand. The new trade corridors act as economic lifelines, connecting inland cities and rural communities to international markets. They link Mexican workers and businesses directly to the global economy, fostering innovation and entrepreneurship across the country. For the first time, Mexico is managing its own trade flows on its own terms, charting a new course for its future in the world economy. Mexico's port modernization relies on public-private partnerships. The government provides initial investment, de-risking the projects. Private sector investment amplifies this, building specialized terminals and logistics. This collaboration ensures facilities meet business needs. It fosters shared ownership and a competitive logistics network. Mexico signals stability and reliability to international investors. The success of the port expansion is a testament to strategic alignment. A shared vision turns an ambitious blueprint into reality. The port expansion's true impact is on people and communities. Construction creates thousands of jobs, boosting local economies. Once operational, ports offer long-term skilled employment. Education programs prepare locals for these jobs. Ports become engines of upward mobility and economic growth. Local industries benefit from increased trade flow. Communities are becoming integral parts of a global network. Challenges remain, but optimism prevails. The expansion promises jobs, a better future, and national pride. Alongside cargo expansion, Mexico's ports are booming with cruise tourism. Mexico aims to attract over 9 million cruise passengers annually. Ports like Puerto Vallarta and Ensenada are bustling with activity. Investments enhance passenger experiences and local economies. Cruise visits inject millions into local businesses. The cruise industry complements cargo operations, showcasing Mexico's culture. Mexico's ports are versatile economic engines, driving growth. Mexico's port expansion is a declaration of economic independence. The strategy breaks free from U.S. dependency, creating a logistics network. Mexico offers a faster, cheaper route for Asian goods. This shift gives Mexico leverage in trade negotiations. The country is capitalizing on nearshoring trends. Mexico offers a skilled workforce and efficient logistics. The strategy fosters national pride and capability. Mexico is building a foundation for economic sovereignty. The ports are constructing a future of independence and influence. Mexico's port rise opens a new chapter in U.S.-Mexico relations. U.S. ports face competition, risking cargo traffic loss. However, a prosperous Mexico is a stable partner for the U.S.-Mexico's growth could increase demand for U.S. goods. The two economies are deeply intertwined. American policymakers must adapt to this new reality. Mexico must manage growth and ensure sustainable development. The port's success is just the first step. Mexico's strategic investment shifts North American trade power. The future depends on choices made in Washington and Mexico City.